Hi, my name is Alicia and I am with the Independent Living Center, and today I will be showing you some quick and easy ways to make sensory bins at home. Today we are actually going to be making an ocean themed one. So once we get started, gather the materials. We have a clear bin with the top as well. We have a measuring cup with water. This is just extra water. We also have some shells and some sand. So the first thing we're going to do is get the sand and pour it on one side of the bin. Just like this. Now once we have the sand in there, we can get our measuring cup that has 2 cups of water in there and begin to pour on this side of the bin. Now if you need more water, you can always add more to it. So that's what I'm going to do, is add some more. There's another 2 cups right there. So you can add that to it. Now once we have our water in, then we can add some seashells. Now usually I could just place it in different spots in the sand. You can place it wherever you want to. You can also, if you want to add more detail to it, you can add some blue food coloring to make the water more blue. You can add little animals that you can get, even little starfish. Any of those things that you want to add to it, you can do that. So once we add our seashells in there and everything else that we want to add to it, then that one is complete. Now this is good for different textures as well. You have the different textures on the shells. We have the different textures in the sand and the water, the cooling. Also, this is good to help children that may have behaviors. This can calm them with the sand, the feeling of the sand and the water together can make a calming area for a child. So this is a real fun and easy sensory bin to do at home. So hopefully this video helps you guys out, and thank you for watching.